Hello everyone, I am Ayush Aswal of BBA 6th semester have made a presentation on the subject digital marketing of the topic social media platform. So the name of my page is The Relief Giving Words. I'll tell you more about it further. So the platform which I chose is Instagram. Now, Instagram is a mobile desktop and internet based photo sharing application and service that allow users to share pictures and videos either publicly or privately to pre approved followers. Now, why Instagram? Hitting a billion users monthly, Instagram is moving at a rapid rate, leaving Snapchat and Facebook behind with a 5% quarterly increase. Now, category I opt. So, relief giving words. The lines that will motivate one, that will make you fall in love with yourself, feeling self help, and it is 100% real and self made. Now, introduction. Now, what is social media platform? A social media platform is a web based technology that enables the development, deployment, and management of social media solutions and services. Objectives of choosing this category: the objective of writing is to bring new ideas, obscure, pure reasoning, and inhibit clarity. With a little practice, writing can be intimidating like an impenetrable fog. Target audience. So the audience which I targeted is mainly youth, age group of 18 and above, who are trying to bring a change, who think they are lost somewhere, who don't want same copied post, people who love themselves. Building audience. Now, the main thing that I have done to build audience is using appropriate filters, posting on the days when the maximum public is online. For example, Saturday, Sunday, the weekends, using of at least 15 to 20 hashtags in my post. So this is the analysis of my page. This is my main page, main profile. This is my insights, my audience, my interactions, my locations from where the most audience is getting me. Age range, gender, followers. Now, content strategy. Now, content strategy is the mindset, culture, and approach to delivering your customers' information, needs, in all the places they are searching for it across each stage of the buying process. It is a strategic approach to managing content as an asset with a quantifiable ROI, that is, return on investment. Content strategies adopted. Now, helping the customers define measure of success, create an inbound content destination, get a mobile plan. Now, competitors. Now, reason for being our competitors: it increasing growth rate of the followers, the marketing strategy, the pages deal with the same category, and old hand. Now, find your optimal posting time. I experiment with my videos. I host contest or ask question to encourage the engagement of the audience. I post regular Instagram stories. Sometimes I do go live on Instagram. I use Instagram ads create specifically for Instagram. Now the conclusion. In short period of time, we have achieved a decent height. Primary focus was on youth. Mission is to make people aware of their inner side. Quality content. We provide a quality content with 100% real stuff. For better growth, we will keep posting more and more contents further. Thank you so much.